Hi everyone, in this video we shall learn how to insert, delete and update our data using Visual Basic.net and database of SQL Server 2014. So let's start the video. This video is for beginners who want to just get started. So now first of all we shall open our Visual Basic, then make a new project. Mm, this is our form. This is the first stage. Whenever you will open your Visual Basic program, the form 1 will be loaded. And so now let me make some labels and text boxes here so that I can demonstrate how to use them for inserting, updating, deleting the data, how we can interact with our database using these controls. So first of all we shall make some labels here. Label 1 should be products. This will be the title. This video is for absolute beginners who don't know at all how to work in Visual Basic. So please keep watching how I am working so that you can understand. First of all we shall make some labels. We have made 4 labels. So first of all align them and make vertical spacing make equal. Now we need four text boxes. Text box 1, copy and paste. This is very easy, not very difficult. Okay. Price and so if we want to make some font changes so that they can appear with large fonts, you can also change the size of fonts to make it more clear. You can select them all like this as I have selected, then align and then rights. Okay, then also you can select your text boxes so that they can. Okay, now I hope you can. If you want to make it center horizontally, you can like this. Products, you can write here products. Okay, now we will make some buttons here so that we can insert, update and delete, which is the topic of our today's video. Insert will insert this information to our database. We can name it btn insert. And if you want to make font changes, you can also insert. Then we can make its copy, insert, and you can write delete. And third button is update. Okay, now also we need to change the names of these text boxes. They should have some proper names. Instead of text box 1, text box 2, they should be like this. tbx means text box, PID. Product ID means PID means product ID. Then tbx, it should be like this, tbx product name, and this one should be like this. Other one is should be like this. Okay, now form name should also be changed. Any name you can write here. And its start position of the form, it should start when it will load, then it should come center, in the center of the screen. You should also you can also change this. So now we can insert, delete and update these information in our database. To do this, we need a database in our SQL server. So now also you can vertical spacing, make align them with the tops, and then format horizontal spacing, make equal. Okay, like this. So first of all, we should have a database in which these information will be stored. So now we will open our database server, SQL database, so that we can make a database, a new database in our SQL server. You see, these are the databases available. Now for the sake of this video, I am making a new database, so that you can understand how to make it new database, how to create a new database. So for example, we can products db, or any name you can write. This is up to you. So now I have made products db, the database name. Okay, now you see this is the our database, newly created database. Here it has no tables at all because it is newly created. So first of all, we need to make some tables here with these columns. Then each column should have proper data type. Price and PID should be in integer, otherwise they all can be variable characters like this. And if you want to allow null values, you can also, this is you can use, but in our case we need all fields, therefore I have unchecked all these. Then you have to save this table, and save table by clicking the save table. And now you can name products table, products, this table name is products. Okay, now you can close this, and you can make a new query of this database, so that we can check what's there, what is there. Select from products. You see this products table is empty because it has no data at all, because it is just now created. This is newly created, so it is empty now. Now we can send our data from this form to this place in our database. To do this, first of all, our program should be able to interact with this SQL data server by knowing its name, where to send the data. This program, our Visual Basic program, needs a connection with our server, database server. Two items. It will require two items to interact with the database. First one is the connection, other one is the commands, SQL commands. So to make a connection, first of all we shall check what is the server name, SQL server name, so that we can make a connection. Server name is ProBook 4730S SQL Server 2014. So now we can make a connection. To make a connection, you can either make a class, so that we can use it again and again instead of making again and again connections. Otherwise, because for the sake of this video, I am just making a connection in the load event of this form. So to do this, we can just we can double click at the top of the form, so that its form load event begins. Now first of all, we can write like this. You please check. Okay, then we need to make some public variables. So like these you can make connection and command so that we can use to interact with our database. Now first of all we shall open the connection. To do this we can write here if SQL connection dot state is equal to connection state closed, then SQL con dot open. Okay, then first of all we want to use insert command. Insert now we can check whether it is working or not, this insert command. First of all we can make some product ID, then product name, maybe I don't know what should write. For example, shampoo, maybe Sunsilk. Price, I don't know what is the price, but we can write here 300. Now insert product info has been saved successfully. Okay, we can check in our database. You see, this is the insert command is now our working, and we can make some other items like this, maybe product ID 2, shampoo, bath soap. I'm not sure what bath soap should be, maybe Lux. I'm not sure what is the price, but we can write like this, insert. So in this way you can use insert command. Okay, now we will write our delete command, because today's video's topic is insert, delete and update, how to insert, delete and update our data. Now we can make this delete button, how to write its command. First of all we can just double click here so that we can get its code window like this, and you can just copy. So instead of writing too many things, you can just copy and paste here so that we can easily edit. Instead of insert, it should be like this: delete from products, where PID is equal to now you see delete from products, where PID should be whenever we will select the PID in our PID text box, that product will be deleted. So now we can test. For example, in our database we have two products, one PID number 1 and PID number 2. If we want to delete PID number 1, then we can write here simply PID number 1, then delete. Your selected product has been deleted successfully. Okay, now we can check here by executing this command. You see, one number is now has been removed, only one product is now available here. So in this way you can delete your records in your SQL database using delete command in Visual Basic. Now we can update. So our third step, first of all we can close this and go to this update button and double click, so that we can reach here in its coding place. So just like before, we can also copy so that we can use and edit. Now instead of delete, we can write like this. For example, if we want to update the price of the second item, which was bath soap, so set price we can write here, set price, set price is equal to price dot text where PID. Okay, now it will update products. The table products table will be updated, and this set price means the price of the item of this PID will be set with the price which will come in this text box. So we can test. For example, this price of this PID number 2 price is 150. If we want to increase its price and make it 200, so we can just for example PID number 2, then price should be instead of 150 200. Then let's see what will happen. You see, your selected product price has been updated successfully. Okay, and then we can check also, instead of 150 it should show the 200. You see. So this was the procedure. Our today's video's topic was how to insert, delete and update data in SQL database using Visual Basic.net. So I hope you have learned something in this video to get more knowledge how to work with Visual Basic and how to interact with SQL database. Please keep watching our videos on this channel so that you can learn many things. So we shall meet in our next video. Thanks for watching.